Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to track a Shein order number. Alright, it's pretty easy to do and it is within the app itself. Just go ahead and go to your Me section right here at the bottom right. Tap on it. Now once you're in here, just go ahead over to Shipped. Alright, tap on it and you should be able to see your ordered items right here. Now what we're going to do next is just tap on Track right here. Alright, below your order. Once you tap on ship, you should be able to see your orders shipped out, and there will be a status green right here that says shipped, and under that is the photo or the media of the item, and below the media of your item you can see track. All right, just go ahead and tap on track and you should be able to see your tracking number as well as what's happening with the delivery. All right, now if you don't trust this one, like for example a UPS, you're going to want to copy the tracking number, then go head over to the UPS website. Like for example, JNT, this is pretty popular here in the Philippines. Now I'm going to tap or click on it. As you can see here, tracking number is available. Just go ahead and put your tracking number right here and hit on search, and you should be able to see the updated details of where your package or parcel is. And that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.